Hey folks, how you doing today? I got a little DIY tractor hack for you. My poor old Sears tractor, Briggs & Stratton engine, says so right on the label. I was having issues. I thought it was a battery issue. My solenoid on the electric start was clicking just fine. So if you can see in here, these two shiny bolts, if you put a screwdriver between these two bolts, it's the hot wires to the starter, it bypasses the solenoid and kicks the starter into gear. Well, it was my starter was the issue, so I removed it. And I discovered inside my starter, this magnets are supposed to be riveted, but they're actually glued to the side, and the glue gave up the ghost. So my starter was dragging and not working sporadically. So I took it off and I ordered another one off of good old Amazon. It was coming Saturday and today is Tuesday, and guess what? The grass ain't waiting until Saturday. So I removed the hot wire that leads to the starter just to get it out of the way, and I didn't have a naked end shorting out on stuff. And on the old electric starts, they used to have a notch for a pull rope. Well, this one don't have it. So I removed the dust cover, so to speak, and discovered a nice big bolt in the top of the motor. Let me show you what I discovered. Hold on, I'll put you on the tripod. So I put the key in on this run position. You just turn it till it clicks and then let go, just like normal. NASCAR style. Nice lawn tractor hack, and now I can go mow my unrelenting grass. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Ciao bella. Yeah, like the best of the best. Look onto it. Beautiful. Broken branch on a Scott pine. Love it. That crate full, that crate full, that crate full. Those two totes are full. Good stuff in the corner. Look onto it. But I'm moving soon, so there's only room for the best of the best. So this is it's not the best, it don't have room. There's my Fire It Up Friday. Look at the soot. Fire It Up Friday, keep it burning.